In this video, we will show you to use AutoPark with a Tesla. This information is from the Tesla driver manual, and I have included a link to the manual in the description below. 1. While driving slowly, monitor the touchscreen to see potential parking spaces detected by Autopilot. When Model Y is positioned such that it can reverse into one of the detected locations, the touchscreen displays potential open parking spaces. 2. Choose a spot. Check to determine if it is appropriate and safe, then pull forward and stop approximately 1 car length ahead of the parking space, as you normally would when parallel parking or when backing into a perpendicular parking space. 3. Release the steering wheel, then touch Start on the touchscreen. 4. AutoPark displays a message when parking is complete. If you press the brake pedal when AutoPark is actively parking Model Y, the parking process pauses until you touch Resume on the touchscreen. To pause AutoPark, press the brake pedal once. Model Y stops and remains stopped until you touch Resume on the touchscreen. AutoPark cancels the parking sequence when you manually move the steering wheel, shift or touch Cancel on the touchscreen. AutoPark also cancels parking when the parking sequence exceeds 7 moves. Model Y detects that the driver is exiting the vehicle. A door is opened. You press the accelerator pedal. You press the brake pedal while AutoPark is paused. An automatic emergency braking event occurs. That's it. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe.